XL Superturn is an engineering-based company that makes seals and gaskets for the oil and gas industry predominantly. My role at XL Superturn is a CNC machinist, and out there I've moved on to many different departments such as lathes, milling machines, inspection, final inspection and warehouse. The main thing I like doing is moving on to different sections. It gives me better product knowledge because I learn all the aspects of the business. So when I hopefully in the future move on to a bigger role, I'll have a better understanding of everything. At the AMRC Training Centre, I really appreciate how you do the theory side and the practical side. So by the practical side, you know how to make the part, and the theory side, you know why to make the part.
James is a very good, nice chap to work with. He brings a lot of enthusiasm and zest for the job. His willingness to learn and a lot of intelligence and common sense as well. So he's quite a delight to work with.
So in the future, XL Superturn, in the short term I want to become a machinist on a section such as lathes where I become a section leader, and in the long term I want to become production manager as I find it very interesting as it's such a varied role.
So Tribosonics are a technology company that specialises in ultrasound measurement equipment. So my job role here is a trainee engineer, and that involves doing a lot of machining, design, as well as testing and instrumentation of ultrasound sensors. So one of the things that I really enjoy here is the chance to branch out and do loads of different things. So being able to do the design side of a project as well as move into the machining and the product assembly, being able to see a project from start to finish. So I enjoyed every moment at the AMRC, from meeting new people as well as learning new skills and developing my old skills. One of the things that I really enjoyed was taking the new skills that I've just learned and applying them at work and really developing them skills and moving on to the next level with machining as well as design. Being able to take the machining knowledge and apply it into a problem and be able to solve that problem has really benefited myself and the company.
One of the great things about Will is his maturity. It's really impressive to see such a young lad investing so much into the business and taking on so much responsibility so rapidly. He regularly takes part in design meetings. He is quick to throw in ideas. It's great to see what he's learned at the MRC and him actually applying that knowledge and how useful that is to us as a business. And these are the reasons why Will should win this award.
So in the future I'd like to complete my degree apprenticeship at the AMRC and move on to a more management role, so overlooking internal operations as well as managing suppliers and customers.
So I work for William Cook in Leeds. We manufacture steel components for the rail industry. At William Cook I'm a CNC machinist, and that involves me running the machines at their full potential to maximise production output. So what I like about working at William Cook is that it's a nice friendly environment and it always gives me the opportunity to learn and develop. So one of the highlights of the AMRC was I was given the opportunity to go to a press conference held by McLaren where I got to see and sit in 3 McLaren supercars. Another highlight was in the AMRC workshop where I had to manufacture a team of table football players while still learning the CNC machining.
Since starting an apprenticeship here at William Cook, Shivan has excelled learning new skills. Over this time we've seen him change from a novice CNC operator to a young engineer capable of programming, editing, even training other people on the machines himself. This is an inspiration to the others around him who can see what can be achieved through hard work and determination. He is clearly focused to what he wants to achieve from his apprenticeship, and he's not scared to take on challenges and reach his goal.
So my career aspirations are that I'd like to become a manufacturing engineer where I would design, program and lead projects undertaken by the company. I'd like to then become competent within that role so I can move into a management role within the future.